students, welcome to the class. So today's topic is profit and loss appropriation account. What is profit and loss appropriation account and what are the journal entries we are going to discuss in this video. So take your concentration over here. Profit and loss account. You know what is profit and loss account? Where we write profits and losses of the firm. So where we write profits and losses of the firm and where we calculate profit and losses of the firm are profit and loss account. And it is profit. It indicates profits and loss of the partnership firm. So after profit and loss account, what we have profits or losses. In case of profits, we are talking about partnership firm where we suppose that we are earning profits. So in case of profits, what we do? First of all, we kept percentage of some profit amount as reserve. So some percentage may be there. Suppose 10% of profits we are deducting as reserve. So 10% of profit we deduct as reserve. This percentage may be different. So after reserve that we create from this profit, rest of the profits we distribute these profits to the partners, and these profits are divided between the partners are appropriations. We have already done this topic. What are the appropriations? Appropriations are interest on capital, salary to partner, commission to partner, share in profits, and one more thing we have done was interest on drawings. So rest of the portion and rest of the profits which partnership firm have, it all divided among the partners. So it is allocated between the partners. So first of all, rest of profit, interest on capital will be given from this profit, and then salary will be given, then commission, and then after deducting three things, then whatever share we have, that means we balance the P&L account, P&L appropriation account, and the balance we left in the account we will deduct share in profits, means we will give partners as share in profit. So one more thing is that interest on drawings, it will add to profits. What is interest on drawings? Interest on drawings is the amount which a partnership firm is getting from its partners on drawings. Whatever drawings they made from partnership firm, interest on drawings is received on that amount. So all these are appropriations. So all these we will handle in the P&L appropriation account. Now we will make P&L appropriation account, and we will discuss in this account all these items. How can we write these items in P&L appropriation account and the journal entries of the P&L appropriation account, or we can say the journal entries of interest on capital, salary to partner, commission to partner, and share in profits and interest on drawings. Profit and loss appropriation account is at the end of the year. So profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended, we will write here the date of the year end. So this is debit side and this is credit side. It is an account, so we will write debit over here and we will write credit over here. So this is debit side and this is credit side. In debit side, what we will write? First of all, we will write here reserves, then interest on capital, then salary to partner, then commission and share in profits. So individually I am telling you about all the items here. Profit and loss appropriation account is nominal account. First of all, whenever we make profit and loss account, whenever we make profit and loss appropriation account, we will write here profit and loss transferred from net profit transferred from P&L account. So this is our net profit transferred from P&L account. We will write here by profit and loss account. Some students write here by net profit. This is wrong. So first of all write here by profit and loss account, because this is the balance we have brought forward from profit and loss account. So profit and loss account here, and in brackets you can write down net profit transferred from P&L account. Next, reserves will be deducted from this profit. Interest on capital, it will be deducted because we are paying it to partners. To interest on capital on partners capital account. So if A and B are partners, we will give them interest on capital and we will write here. Interest on capital you have already done. So to salary to partners. Salary to partners. You can write down to salary. This is the salary which you are giving or which a partnership firm is giving to the partner. So we will write here, and it will also deduct the profits of profit and loss account here. So next is commission to partner. Whenever we pay commission, it will also deduct profits. So it will be debited. So all the things, all the transactions that are deducting, that we are deducting from profits are debited, because this type of transactions deduct the balance of profit and loss account and net profits. These type of transactions are deducting the balance of net profit. Why we are writing? So that's why we are writing these on this side. So whatever we have left over here, it will be to share in profits. That means this will be share in profit. One thing remaining, that is interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is income for the partnership firm, and it will be on the credit side. So all the expenses will be on debit side, all the incomes will be on credit side. It will be added to the profits over here. So profits plus interest on drawing, it will be whatever the amount is, to these items will be deducted from the total of these items, and after that whatever we will get, that is to share in profit. That is the share of partners' profit that we will transfer them in their capital account and in their profit sharing ratio, and we will distribute it in profit sharing ratio. So it will be given to partners, transferred to partners capital account. A here, B here. So this is the account. Journal entries of profit and loss appropriation account. So first entry is profit and loss account to profit and loss appropriation account. So what is it? By profit and loss account. We are writing here by profit and loss account. That means profit is being transferring from profit and loss account to the profit and loss appropriation account. We are transferring it from profit and loss account to profit and loss appropriation account. So this is the entry. We will write profit and loss account is debited. Why it is debited? Because profit and loss account, if there are profit, it will show credit balance. So profits are being transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. So profit and loss account will be debited because profits are decreasing and we are transferring it to the profit and loss appropriation account. P&L account will be debited and to profit and loss appropriation account. This account will be credited because the profits are being transferred to this account. Now the profits are in this account, so it will be credited. Next entry is being profits transferred to P&L appropriation account. You can write down narration. Next entry is for reserves. So whenever we provide reserves out of profits, then profits will be decreased. That's why profit and loss account is debited to reserve account. Reserve is of credit. It will be credit because it is liability for the firm. Reserves are the profits that go for partners, but now we are not providing to the partners. We are taking as reserves this amount. This is the share in profit of partners, but we are taking it as reserve and it will shown on the liability side of balance sheet. So liabilities are credit, so it will be credit. So next is third entry. This will be of interest on capital. Profit and loss appropriation account, again debit. Why? We are deducting from profits the amount of interest on capital and profits are decreasing. So profit and loss appropriation account is debit to interest on capital account. We are providing interest on capital. Next is, you can write down narration, being interest on capital appropriated or provided. Interest on capital account is debit. This will come because while we are at the end of the year and we want to cancel this account, to close this account, it will be debited. So next is to interest on capital account debit to A's capital to B's capital. We are transferring interest on capital that we are providing here to partners. This is an expense type and we are providing this interest on capital to the partners because it belongs to the partners. So to A's capital account, to B's capital account, and the number of partners capital account, you can write down whatever given in the question. So interest on capital account will be debit to interest A's capital account to B's capital account. It will be credited. Capital accounts will be credited. Why will be credited? Capital account always have debit balance or credit balance. It has credit balance. Why? Because we are giving the amount to partners. That's why we are crediting A's capital account and B's capital account. It will be added to their capitals. So in narration is being IOC, interest on capital, transferred to partners capital account. Our next transaction is salary to partner. So what is the journal entry of this? Profit and loss appropriation account debit, same just as other transactions. Profit is decreasing to partners salary account. Partners, we are giving salary to partners. So partners salary account is debited because we are cancelling this to partners capital account. It can be given to one of the partner or any of the partner given in the question. You can write down part A's capital account, B's capital account, whatever is given in the question. So you can write down narration here, being salary appropriated and being salary transferred to capital account. Next is commission to partner. When we provide commission, P&L appropriation account will be debited to partner's commission account. Being interest on commission appropriated, being commission appropriated, being commission appropriated, and next is partners commission account to partners capital account. That means we are transferring commission to the partners capital account. It can be to one partner or any of the partners. One transaction is left, that is for interest on drawings taken from partners. We are taking interest on drawings, that's why we are adding it to the profits. So interest on drawings taken from partners. Interest on drawings account will be debit to P&L appropriation account. Now P&L appropriation account is credited. It is being reversed. Why? Because profits are now increasing. So next is, you can write down narration. A's capital account, B's capital account to interest on drawings. We are deducting from A's capital and B's capital the amount of interest on drawings. Why we are deducting? How can we recognize that we are deducting? See here, A's capital account is debited. We are debiting A's capital account. That means we are, if debiting the capital account, it is being deducted from the capital of A, and B's capital account debit to interest on drawings. So you can write down narration here. B, interest on drawings appropriated. B, interest on drawings transferred to partners capital account. The last entry is for transferring profits. This is for this, to share in profits transferred to partners capital account. For transferring profits, we are debiting P&L appropriation account because profit is minimizing to share in profits. Why it is minimizing? Because of sharing profits being profits appropriated. And the next entry is share in profits account to A's capital account to B's capital account. That means we are giving it to the partners and we are crediting it to the partners. So capital account is here credited, being profits provided to partners. This will be the narration of this entry. So now you know what is profit and loss appropriation account. It will be like this. After journal entries and profit and loss appropriation account, now you are able to construct partners capital account. How can we make partners capital account? So it is just like other accounts. Here this side will be debit side and this side is credit side. You can make columns according to the question how many partners are there. There are two partners. I am supposing here that there are two partners A and B and A and B. So here we will write particulars and on this side we will write particulars just like an account. So first we will start from here. Firstly, partners capital account starts from partners capital and the opening balance of partners capital account will be credit balance. It will be on credit side. So it will be here. Next entry is by bank account. If partner is introducing additional capital, then partner's bank account will be there. By bank means partner is bringing cash in the form of additional capital. Next is all the entries and all the appropriations that partner is going to receive from profit and loss appropriation account will come here. These are the appropriations a partner is receiving from firm that we have done from profit and loss appropriation account: interest on capital, partner's salary, partner's commission, share in profits. All these a partner is receiving from a firm. Salary and commission, both partners can be received from firm or any of the partners can receive. According to the question, that will come here and here it will come total. On this side, we will write two drawings. Drawings are the things, drawings are the money that a partner is withdrawing from the firm for his personal use. Now, it will come interest on drawings. The amount of interest that a partner is going to give to the firm is known as interest on drawings, and it will come on the debit side. Why it will come on the debit side? Both the entries are coming on the debit side because all the entries come here shows that partner is receiving something. He has a balance over here, capital, additional capital that is introduced by a partner. He will receive that amount whenever he at the end of the year, or he will retire from the firm. By profit and loss appropriation account, interest on capital is received by partner, salary is received by partner, commission and प्रॉफिट शेयर जो है, जो फर्म का है, वो भी पार्टनर रिसीव करता है. सो वी कैन से ड्रॉइंग्स एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स. अ पार्टनर इज लायबल टू पे टू द फर्म, so it will be on the debit side. So here all the entries are coming that is credited to the capital account, and here all the entries are coming that are deducted from partner's capital account, and it will be debited. At the end we will write here and we will calculate by balance carried on, and this is the final balance that a partner's capital account holds. A case where only partner's capital account is opened, that was the case of fluctuating capital. Now I am describing the case of fixed capital, where partner's capital are fixed. In that case we will split that account into two accounts. First is partner's capital account and then partner's current account. Partner's capital account, what we write here? Partner's capital account, first of all we will write here by balance brought down, that means the fixed capital balance of partners, and next we will write here additional capital that is being introduced by partner. Then on the debit side we will write drawings, but drawings were of that type which are out of capital, that will come here. Why it is debited? Because this is reducing the balance of their capital and this is reducing their capitals. So drawings are reducing capital, that's why it is debited. So the balance will be carried on balance at the end of the year. So partner's capital account is this account. It has already been discussed in videos. You can see again. Partner's current account. All over the entries in fluctuating account, when I was discussing that partner's capital account will only be held, in that case we are splitting this account into two parts. In this case partner's capital account is maintained. All the remaining entries that was in previous capital account now will come under partner's current account. So by balance brought down, this is the balancing figure of current account by P&L appropriation account. All those appropriation that we were firstly writing in the partner's capital account, in fluctuating capital's case, that will come over here in fixed capital, where partner's capital are fixed, it will come here by P&L appropriation account. All the appropriation will come here. Interest on capital, salary, commission, share in profits. Now on the debit side we will write two drawings, but those drawings which are out of profits to P&L appropriation account. Here we will write interest on drawings that was on the credit side of P&L appropriation account. So to balance carried on, it is the balancing figure of partner's current account. So we can say where partners' capitals are fluctuating, we will prepare partners capital account and all the entries that are related to appropriations, whether it is drawings out of capital, out of profit, and interest on drawings, all will come there. And if it is a case of fixed capital account, then the partners capital, we divide the partners capital account in two parts, partners capital account and partners current account. Here we describe all those things that are related to partners capital, that is fixed. So partners capital account, but additional capital we write here, and drawings if out of capital are there, we write here. So the balancing figure is here. All the remaining entries that are related to appropriation, drawings, out of profit, interest on drawings related to P&L appropriation account, and interest on capital, salary, commission, share of profits of partners, that will come here. One thing that is remaining to tell you, that whenever there is fixed capital account, two accounts are maintained, that is capital account and current account. When there is the case of fluctuating capital, then only partners capital account is maintained. So if we talk about fixed capital account, where we are maintaining two accounts, one is capital account and other is current account. In that case, in everywhere where you were writing, that means we were writing in journal entries that interest on capital to A's capital account to B's capital account, in that case we will write A's current account and B's current account, because now these entries will go in current account in case of fixed capital account. If we are providing salary to partners, there are two partners, it will go to firstly it was going to partners capital account, now it will go to partners current account. So we will write here current account, current account. So this is the main thing that you should take into consideration.